Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Medkit is already in a quick access slot so you don't fumble. You assign it to slot 1 or 2 and practice swapping once or twice in the menu. This speeds real use. Once done, check the HUD for remaining Medkits and cooldown timers so you know how often you can rely on them. Make sure to bind the hotkey that feels natural. When you need it, muscle memory will save precious time. You heal while staying safe. Immediately move behind cover before activating the Medkit so you don't get interrupted. Press and hold the assigned key or use the quick item wheel. Remember, the animation must finish to restore health fully, so don't cancel early. Once healed, swap back to your primary and re-engage. Also, make sure to use smoke or armor swap during the heal window to reduce the chance of being downed. You complete the cycle by checking your health bar and returning to a safe line of fire, conserving medkits for critical moments. Once ready, note cooldowns and rotate to resupply or adjust tactics if you're low. If the medkit doesn't work, pause and verify the hotkey binding, cancel any input lag by releasing keys, then re-equip the medkit in loadout to prevent recurrence. That one troubleshooting tip, rebind and re-equip, fixes most usage failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.